don't make a forecast if you can't make the forecast. I know it sounds pretty silly, but in the world of Wall Street, if you make a prediction, you better beat it, or else your stock's going to get clobbered. That's what drove much of this sell-off. Expectations not met, guidance too aggressive, promises dashed. It's why we struggle to bounce back from yesterday's hideous action. Dow gaining only 15 points today, S&P declining 0.09%, NASDAQ dipping 0.1%, even as we had much higher prices earlier in the day. Let's start with the Fed. I play with an open hand. I think Jay Powell's doing a fabulous job what he does. The only Fed chair since Paul Volcker in my lifetime who knows he has the power to take control of a difficult situation and do the right thing no matter what. Powell's been very true to his word, which is integral to maintaining his integrity and the integrity of the institution, which has never been a doubt. When he says he'll do something, the markets believe in him. That's because he has a lot of credibility. But yesterday, I felt that Powell had a setback, albeit momentary, because he didn't telegraph his views ahead of time. It was a tough call to cut rates by 25 basis points, only because he made it a tough call. I think he felt that the Fed had to cut rates because he believed that would help bring down mortgage rates and auto loan rates, solving two of the most intractable sources of inflation left in this country. But immediately after the first cut in September, a double cut, long-term rates went up, not down. See, that was a sign that big bondholders weren't buying the need to cut rates. They were more worried about inflation. That's fine. The Fed can defy the bond market for a spell. But Powell should have quickly pivoted after the second rate cut and told people he needed to see more weak economic data and lower inflation before making another move. He didn't do that. Instead, Powell consistently signaled that there would be a third rate cut, even as the data didn't justify it. If the Fed's supposed to be data-driven, then it had no business cutting rates yesterday. But Powell was trapped by his own prediction, one that he didn't need to make.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.